Okay, quick adjustment. We're going to drop this to max attack, so we're going to loosen this off. I think it's a T30, goes all the way down. We got 4 settings, we'll put it in the max. And that'll be the rear done. And in the front, in the fender well, there's the little tipped little tabs. You loosen those, you jam them all the way up, snug them up. That's it. Okay, so it's a T30, and we're just going to put the rag here in case we make contact. It's very, very loose, so it's easy. Loosen that one a little so it moves. Put the official torque settings on the screen. I think it's pretty light. Top of my head, I think it's like 6 Newton meters, which is very light. But Porsche will say, don't do this when you're driving on the road, and they'll say, don't do the rear without the front. Okay, that's the rear done. So I'll put the official torque settings on the screen. I think it's pretty light. Top of my head, I think it's like 6 Newton meters, which is very light. But Porsche will say, don't do this when you're driving on the road, and they'll say, don't do the rear without the front. Okay, that's the rear done. All right, let's get up under the front. Okay, now if you can see the front here, there's a tab here. It's got 2 torques in it. I think they're a size down. I don't think they're T30s. I think they're sized down. I'll grab it. Okay, so there's this screw here. It's a T25, and we'll loosen that, and there's one farther in, I don't know if you can see it. Just got to be loose, there we go, and it goes right up. Loosen that a little bit more. There we go, that's all the way up now. Just gotta hold that, tighten it. So I'm literally doing this, as you can tell, in the pit bay on a track day. Now the man thigh suggestion for obviously the Nürburgring is maximum tack in the rear and almost max front, but we'll see how it goes with all the way here. And these again are just really kind of in this basically fender holding so light. So that is it. So you can see that open now, and also improves the brake cooling because the brake ducts actually get cleaner air from the front. So we got to do the other side, but for the most part, that's it. So we're talking not even 7, 8, no, under 10 minutes to get it done. So that's it. 10 minutes and the track aero prep is done. The only other thing to be doing would be we check the tire pressure, and we're setting it out now. And pretty easy. It's you get a track alignment if you want it, but it's ready to roll.